Hello everybody. I just want to show you a quick demo how Hermes is steering OpenCode. In my scenario here, I have two projects and ask Hermes to start a teamwork session or two parallel teamwork sessions which run OpenCode inside. And for me, it turned out to be a feasible cron scheduler for the open code tasks, and in near future I'll iterate on the skill and improve the prompt to catch errors and such. But I just wanted to show you that it's possible, and that the combination for me seems to be a good idea to get the best of both worlds. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Goodbye.